Dear WordPress profile creators and developers, when you are creating wonderful websites and delivering to your prospective clients, you need acknowledgement for your good work. You need credit for your work. So, mostly we used to see a footer link about the site had been developed by or site maintained by the some agency name, some designer name, or something like that. But our clients, the client or the respective business for whom you are working and delivering may not allow to put any link in the footer or any area to show your credits that you have developed their websites. And still you want to have credits. You want credit? Yes, it is always right. So I have a very simple solution in form of a plugin that allows you to get acknowledgement for your good works. So I have Acknowledgify, and it is a free and unique plugin in itself. So it is less explored, and I got this plugin, and it is very good for the purpose it has been developed. A WordPress plugin for adding credits via humans.txt meta tags and customizable footer links. So it is all good. So give credit where it is due. Acknowledgify is a lightweight and flexible plugin that allows developers, freelancers, and agency to showcase their contribution to a website. So you can read all the details. I'm going to add a link in the video description so that you may download the plugin. It is free and it is available at WordPress repository itself. Now, thing is that like we created this website and we wish to have credit for our development, what we can do. So simply, I have installed this plugin. The same plugin can be found in the WordPress repository. Simply type Acknowledgify like I'll show you. This is the plugin name. Just to show you, you can simply add new plugin. However, I have already installed, and simply type here or paste here. And since for me it is installed, and unfortunately it has not got any reviews, but it has got 100 plus activation, and it is compatible to the latest version of WordPress. So when we come back to the settings of this plugin, it is really very easy to use and it serves the purpose for which it has been made. Like, we can enable and disable with the toggle buttons what measure how we want to get or collect our credits. So enable human.txt file or the enable meta tags or the enable footer links. And further we have setting import export option. We can even choose to import settings if we have made. So with the settings, what we can do, we can select a template, like if it is an agency or a freelancer. So we can simply have this template, and uh, if you want to see the human.txt files, it is here. So it will be included, all the information will be included, and our text file will be available in the WordPress file area, and this link can be accessible. So it is really very good thing that you can prove that you have developed in the particular website. So you can either generate the human.txt file. So you can fill your details like freelancer website, email your details, the project credits, the project role, thanks to, and the preview. So you can check, fill the details, and you can keep checking the preview, how it is going to look visible, and you can save the changes. Similarly, we have the meta tags, which is more effective in technical terms, since the search engines and index all these meta tags, and it can be indexed with your name. So it is not directly visible on the website, but meta tags works in the background. So fill the fields below to generate a meta tag. Your meta tags, so only the fields you complete will be included, and anything left blank will not be shown. So you must know about meta tags when you will check the source code of any website like control U. So it will be visible in the meta tag area here. wherever meta tag is located. So it will, like meta name is here in this case. So meta tags will be generated with all the information that you are placing here, and it will be available in the code area. So this is another great advantage of this plugin. Similarly, we can easily generate a footer link so that we may place the footer link if it is allowed by your client, and we can simply put our name or our agency name, and we can link our URL. So this is most common thing that being used. But I found this plugin uh, very useful. However, it is not being used so mm, much, but yes, it is serving the purpose, and we always used to have credits for our good work. So I am sure you are going to use this if you are delivering your good work to your clients. Just collect the credits and receive the good acknowledgements as well. Check all the details through the video description link, and I'm sure you are a regular visitor of this channel and you are already a subscriber. If not, please subscribe the channel. Let us meet in the next video in which I am going to bring more useful things for your WordPress website. Keep building, keep watching. Thank you for this complete watch, and let us see the next video. Thank you.